Near-infrared heater assembly instructions. Before assembly, please check all components are included. Components: outer shade, wire guard, heat insulation disc, heat radiator with built-in thermostat, remote control, near-infrared lamp, bracket. The heat insulation disc and remote control are located at the bottom of the box. Assembly process. Before assembly, please wear protective gloves. Fit the heat radiator into the outer shade, positioning them to match the same combination. Rotate clockwise to lock it into place. A clicking sound indicates proper locking. Loosen the 2 screws. Be careful not to lose the screws. Place the heat insulation disc. Check the front and back sides. Front, back. Reinstall the screws that were loosened earlier. Lamp insertion. Do not force the lamp into the socket as it may break. Place the lamp gently. Turn the heater upside down, then place the lamp onto the socket. While gently shaking the heater, press and hold the button. Press and hold the button, then gently shake the heater so the lamp will be inserted easily. Make sure the lamp is inserted up to the indicator line. Installation of the heater. To fix on the pipe. Place the bracket around the pipe and use a hex wrench to secure it at the desired angle. Near-infrared heater installed at a farm. Thank you.